That's like an Indian guy like rocking out right there. Oh, you like your chips?
Yeah, I do.
That's good. I bet you do.
Chips are good. You want one?
I would if I could.
Look at all those chips you can't have.
People love chips.
I want that. I like chips. Same.
Rawr.
Something about you, girl. This is like the third time she's my head on a twirl.
Okay. I don't know if I can deal with that tonight. People are like 7, 8, or 9. I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
No.
You want to see my bird? I have a bird. See?
Hello.
I have a bird. It's a sexy bird. People haunt your dreams. See?
Bye, bird.
My
Bye, bird.
I brought my bird. Don't skip. I brought a bird.
Hi.
Do you want to see my bird? Look at my bird.
Oh, it's a fake bird.
Yeah. See?
I was hoping for like a bird that was like
It's got a hole in it.
pottery bird.
That's not gonna scare me. I have a bird. Look at my bird.
It's fake.
So? This is not a fake bird.
Like your dick.
This is real. This is my real
Give me
bird.
the popcorn on me.
Yeah, just as real as your dick.
Thank you. I appreciate that. At least I'm not going around showing 13-year-old girls my dick. You want to see my birds?
No.
I have more than one this time. I have 3 to be exact.
Your fake birds?
Yeah.
Yeah, the ones that are as like fake as your dick.
Yeah. This one's actually wood, so it's actually as hard as my dick.
Paper, paper the size of a Tic Tac. Paper is made of wood too.
I have more birds this time. I have 3. I have 3 birds.
Why do you have so many birds?
Because I love birds.
Birds are nice, but you don't need 3.
This one's made out of wood. Birds. I have
My bird
birds.
died today.
Why?
Because it croaked. I have no idea. Her name was Rita.
Who?
Bird. Its name was Rita, and it died today.
This bird?
My bird. Oh my god, it's so cute.
I have this bird. I have this bird. And
A bird in a box.
I have this bird.
No, none of those birds.
I'm
My
sorry.
bird was actually living.
These are living too.
No, they're not.
In my imagination.
That is weird.
You made him leave.
I have birds. It won't fly. See? It won't fly. Oh, I almost dropped it.
Okay.
You suck.
You suck.
Hey. What rank are you, my man? You have a freaking bird?
Please. Oh, you have a bird with you this time.
Oh, it's a fake. Goodness gracious.
You know what?
It's fake.
You know what I want to do to you?
Love me?
I want to rip your head off. I feel like I just got blamed.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No. But don't.
It's fake. It's
Was it
fake.
something else?
Fake.
We're all gonna come up at the same time. Do do do.
Mm. Wait, hold on. I think... You know those one cramps that you get in your calves? Like
Yeah.
Charlie horse or something? And it hurt. Okay, you got the...
Oh, he skipped me this time.
The bird guy.
The bird guy. I'm known as the bird guy. Oh, he didn't stay long enough for me to show him.
Who are you even talking to?
No one's up.
Oh my god, the guy!
Rossi's like barking.
Go on, I could go look.
Arnica, you can be the one to save us.
You'll be like the black guy.
Emily, oh my god.
All the black people
Stop.
die first in the movies.
Black people, yeah. My zodiac sign says I'm gonna die last
Can't use
because,
that
well, to be
footage.
honest,
Jesus
I watched
Christ.
What?
Nothing.
Where is the knife?
Where's the knife?
Use that.